Can you hear us? Wake up! Everybody, wake up! Keep moving uphill!
Look, Potato! My boat is going fast.
Maybe it'll go all the way to the ocean.
Maybe a shark will find it.
Potato, do you notice something?
What?
The river is too quiet.
You're right. Something feels different.
Why did it stop?
That's weird.
My boat! What happened to it?
I don't know.
My boat!
Potato, be careful.
Maybe it was a piece of wood.
What are you kids doing here?
What's wrong? Do you know what did that?
Go home. But go home now. Right now, Potato. Oh no! How did you get here?
Wake up! Everybody, wake up!
What's going on?
I don't know.
Everybody, get to the hill!
The hill? Why?
What's happening?
The dam is breaking.
Everyone, move!
Don't stop! Stay together!
Stay with your mom.
What about you? Promise?
I'll be right behind you.
Can you keep this safe for me?
Of course.
I'll keep it safe.
Thank you, Potato. Come soon!
I will!
That doesn't sound good.
Potato, get everyone higher! I'm on it! Keep moving! moving! Don't stop!
No!
It's going! The dam broke! Potato! The water's coming! Everybody, run! Keep moving uphill!
Don't stop! Stay together!
Hold on tight!
Okay, Carrot.
I've got you, Grandma.
Thank you, dear.
Just a little farther!
I'm trying.
You made it! Is everyone here?
Potato!
What?
Where's Radish?
Radish? Huh?
Radish! Where are you? She's not over here!
Radish!
Can you hear us?
When did you last see her?
Do you see anything?
Not yet. Keep looking.
Radish!
Wait, what's that?
It looks like a little red boat.
But her boat is right here.
Then whose boat is that?
Radish?
Help me!
She's still down there. I'm going after her.
Potato, the water is dangerous. Do you see any alone?
Then bring her back safely.
Where are you going?
I'm going to get Radish.
The water is too deep.
She's alone.
Carrot, what are you doing?
I'm coming with you. You're not doing this alone. Okay, let's bring her home.
Radish, keep calling. We'll find you.
I barely recognize this place.
Keep your eyes on the rooftops. What was that?
I don't know.
Do you see anything?
Nothing.
Potato, look.
I see it.
That's not a piece of wood.
No, definitely not.
Did you see that tail?
Yeah. It's a shark.
Then we need to find Radish fast.
I'm over here!
We see you! We're coming, Radish!
Please hurry! There's water everywhere!
Stay on the roof! Don't move! We're almost there! Keep rowing!
Potato, something's behind you!
Huh? What?
Behind you!
Potato! I see it! It's coming this way! Then we row faster! Radish, stay right there!
Okay.